Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you beef curry with coconut milk. And I'm going to use a Thai organic coconut milk and it's unsweetened, and I'm going to use 1 can. 2-pound beef. I'm going to cut beef into smaller pieces and I'm going to wash with cold water. For our tadka, 1 tablespoon olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon ginger, garlic, green chili paste. 1 teaspoon cumin seed. All the spices will be half teaspoon. Salt, white pepper, cumin powder, garam masala, coriander powder, and 1 onion. And let's start making our delicious beef curry with coconut milk. Get a karahi and we're going to start gas and keep gas on high and bring olive oil. Bring cumin seed, jeera. We're going to cook like 10 seconds. This is good. And now I'm going to bring ginger garlic paste. I'm going to use my screen splatter and I'm going to cook it like 1 second. The screen splatter really helps. My camera don't get dirty. The counter space, they stay clean. This is good. Now we're going to bring onion. Mix it well. We're going to cook our onions until they are nicely transparent. Onions are nicely translucent. I'm going to bring all the spices. Salt, white pepper, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala. Mix it well and we're going to cook it for a half minute. Cooking for a half minute, I'll bring beef. Mix it well. Once it's nicely mixed with our tadka, keep moving and we're going to cook for 10 minutes on high gas. Cooking for 5 minutes. This is how the beef looks. Initially it will release all the water since we washed it with the cold water, and now it's drying out and it starts to ooze out the oil. So we're going to cook additional 5 more minutes on high gas and keep it moving so that it won't get burned. Cooking for 10 minutes. This is how the beef looks. I'll bring the gas to medium and now I'm going to bring the coconut milk. Mix it. Once it's nicely combined with the coconut milk, cover with the lid and we're going to cook for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to come back and we're going to stir it and keep it on medium. On medium gas, cooking for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I opened it and I stirred it. After mixing it well, I'm going to check the beef. It still needs cooking. After mixing it well, I'm going to bring the temperature to low, which is simmer. We're going to let it simmer for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to come back and I'm going to stir it. Cooking on a simmer for 10 minutes. Slow cooking, bring the taste. We're going to stir it. This is the perfect gravy. The coconut milk. If we check our meat, that nicely cut through. It's nice. It's perfect, tender, and now it's fully cooked. I'm going to bring parsley flakes. You can use cilantro or fresh parsley flakes. 1 teaspoon parsley flakes. And we're going to cover with the lid again and we're going to let it simmer another 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes on simmer. I'm going to turn off the gas. Beef with coconut curry is all ready. Mix it well. I have my serving bowl ready and I'm going to dish out. How delicious beef curry with coconut milk. Let me share with you. Beef curry is very tasty and very delicious. Please try with the rice flour and you're going to like it. And even you can serve with the naan. It will be perfect beef curry. Please try it, this Indian style beef curry, and you're going to like it. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.